Hello, my friend, and welcome back to the next video in this series. Please, if you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. I'm going to be dropping more helpful videos just like this over the next few months. So definitely subscribe so that you're alerted to whenever I publish a new video. In this particular video, though, I want to talk about the types of tweets that you should definitely not post if you want to make affiliate sales. And if you've been doing affiliate marketing on Twitter, or if you are curious about affiliate marketing on Twitter and you follow some people that are clearly doing affiliate marketing, you may notice that they post tweets like this all the time. And I can tell you, as a product creator who has affiliates, tweeting promotions for people to click on the link and purchase the product, these tweets do not make sales. So without further ado, let's just jump right in and look at an example of a tweet that somebody recently posted trying to sell one of my courses. And as I said, it did not make a sale. So here's the tweet. This individual just simply said, use the power of persuasion and let Gumroad Guru show you the way. So what's wrong with this tweet? Well, I'm struggling to find out what's right with this tweet, to be honest with you. The first thing that I would say is that there's absolutely no incentive or benefit to have the person click this link down here. There's no benefit-driven copy whatsoever. It's really just a scattershot approach. And you're going to notice a lot of accounts on Twitter take this approach where they really just type in a few words and say, like level up with this course by this person, tap in and make more money with this course from this creator. And it's just kind of this spam approach to just making sure that every second tweet is an affiliate link so that they can hopefully make a sale and make their $25, $50 for the day and then call it quits, right? But you don't want to kind of just do things this way. You want to have benefit driven copy and benefit driven you want to incentivize people and give them a reason to actually go ahead and click the link. So I want to show you really an example of a promotional tweet that I made that's from for one of my own courses, but the principles are the same. You would do this for an affiliate course as well. And so as you can see, the first thing I did was I X'd out the product image and I put my own image in. And one of the cool things about doing this is that you don't have to, like, as you can see, this person tagged me in the actual tweet itself, but you can actually tag someone in the image. So I would tag the product creator in this image and save my 280 characters for putting more benefit-driven copy up here. So as you can see, I said all it takes is 60 minutes to write an article that will make you money every single day. Follow my step-by-step formula for producing content that will earn your first $1,000 over on Medium. Plus, get access to a private writing community for free. And then I put the link. And as you can see, I put earnings from my actual Medium articles and results from my actual Medium articles and pay stubs from my payouts from Medium. So everything about this tweet is benefit driven. Only 60 minutes. Make $1,000. Access to a private community, and then the link, the call to action link with more social proof that the product actually works and the things that I teach in the course actually will make you money. So, that's just one example of how not to send a tweet and an example of how to send a tweet. And I go over more examples of how you want to be honest with you, the type of tweet that I'm showing you right now, the promotional tweets, it's not even the best way to get sales. I talk about the best way to get more clicks on your links inside Tweet and Profit. So if you're not yet inside the community, please hit the link in the comment section below or in the description section below and join the community. It's only $9 and you're going to get access to 17 videos, over 90 minutes of content that will show you how to start a profitable Twitter side hustle that will make you your first $1,000 on Twitter. And my goal is to get you earning at least $500 per week on Twitter with affiliate marketing. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up to give me a boost in the Twitter algorithm. So I'll make more of these and I'll feel inspired to keep delivering content like this. And hit subscribe so that you can be notified whenever I publish more videos just like this one.